This question is from Water Resource Engineering from the topic Fluid Dynamics. In this question, the value of lambda is asked where the velocity field is given by v is equal to 5x plus 6x plus 7zi plus 6x plus 5y plus 9zj plus 3x plus 2y plus lambda z k, and density varies at rho is equal to rho naught e raised power minus 2t. We know that for mass to be conserved, delta rho upon delta t plus delta rho u upon delta x plus delta rho v upon delta y plus delta rho w upon delta z is equal to 0. Now delta rho upon delta t is equal to minus 2 rho naught e raised power minus 2t is equal to minus 2 rho. Similarly, rho delta v upon delta x is equal to 5 rho delta v upon delta y is equal to 5 rho, and rho delta w upon delta z is equal to lambda times rho. Putting in equation 1 here, we get lambda is equal to minus 8, so mode of lambda is equal to 8, hence 8 is the answer.